Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic, find the missing number. So you can see the first example here. It asks 217 equals to 8 upon what? Means we need to find out what is the missing number here. So as you can see, 2 upon 7 is a fraction, and on the other side also 8 upon what? Again, this is also a fraction, and there is an equal to sign between these two fractions. So it means these two fractions are equivalent fractions. We have already done the equivalent fractions. So you know very well that how to find out equivalent fraction. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by some number, or we can divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. So here you can see the fraction we need to find out, the denominator of fraction we need to find out is a bigger one, means 2 and 8. How 8 can become from 2? We need to multiply 2 by some number. So how we can find out that by which number you should multiply by 2 to get 8? So here what we need to do is we can divide 8 by 2 and we will got 4. So it means the number by which we need to multiply is 4. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So we got 8 upon 7 4s are 28. So our question was to find out the missing number. So what is the missing number here? 8 upon 28. So missing number here will be your answer. Let's discuss one more example now. So next example is 5 upon 8 equals to 10 upon what? So again these are the two equivalent fractions. So just see here in the both fractions both the numerators are given. So what do you think? By which number we should multiply 5 to get 10? How we can find out that number? We will divide 10 by 5 and we will get 2. You can always check from the given numerators or both given denominators which is the bigger one. You can divide it by the smaller one. So it means we need to multiply now. We have find out the number. We need to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So what will you got? 5 2s are 10 and 8 2s are 16. It means what is the fill up here? Missing number is 16 here. So 16 will be your answer. Let's discuss third example now. Let's see the third example. It says 3 upon 5 equals to dash upon 20. It means now we need to find out the numerator of the equivalent fraction. And both the denominators are given here. Right? So from 5 we have to make 20. So how we can make? We have to multiply by some number. So how to find out that number? We have to divide 20 by 5 and we will got 4. It means we will divide both numerator and denominator by 4. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. It gives us 12 upon 20. So what is the missing number here? The missing number here is 12. So your answer will be 12 here. Let's see one more example. Now next example, example number 4, it says 45 upon 60 equals to 15 upon blank. So now we need to find out the denominator of the other fraction. But now here you can notice one thing. Both numerators are given to us, but the denominator where the fraction of the denominator which we need to find out, it is smaller one. Means 45. How to get 15 from 45? 15 is smaller for 45. So we need to multiply or divide. What will we do here? Yes, to find out the smaller number, we have to divide. So you need to find out by which number you will divide 45 to get 15. So again, how to find out that number? Again, you will divide both the numerators. So 45 divided by 15, we will got 3. So you will divide both numerator and denominators by 3. What will we got here now? 45 divided by 3 is 15 and 60 divided by 3 is 20. So again, what is the missing number we got here? The missing number is 20 here. Right. Let's see one more example. So fourth example now is 18 upon 24 equals to blank upon 4. So again here both fractions are equivalent and we need to find out the missing numerator here. So you can see the fraction we need to find out is smaller than the given one, right? 4 is smaller than the 24. How to get 4 from 24? Means you need to divide by some number. So again, how to find out that number? You will divide 24 by 4 and we will get 6. It means we need to divide both numerator and denominator of the given fraction by 6. So 18 divided by 6, what will we got? 3. And 24 divided by 6, we got 4. So what is the missing number here? 3. So what will be our answer? 3 will be our answer. So now we are going to discuss, I hope these examples are clear to you. Now we are going to discuss some more type of example which will be done in the same way. So in next type of example, it is asked here, find equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. So what we need to do? We need to find out equivalent fraction of what? 3 by 5. We need to find out equivalent fraction, so we will put a equal to sign, and the equivalent fraction is having denominator 20. So you know how to write down a fraction, numerator upon denominator. So we need denominator as 20 now. So we need to find out the fraction. So denominator is already given here. We need to find out what is the numerator here. So again, this example is same as the previous. Again, you need to find out here, this is the missing number. So by which number you will multiply by 5 to get 20? How to find out this number? You will divide 20 by 5 and we will got 4. So it means you will divide both numerator and denominator of the given fraction by 4. So 5 also multiplied by 4. So 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. But now what will you answer? A number will not be your answer. What was asked in the question? Just read out again. Find equivalent fraction. So a fraction should be your answer here. So 12 upon 20 is our answer here. Right. So just see now, next example is, we need to find out equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48 having denominator 4. So 36 upon 48 can be written as equal to blank upon 4. So we need to find out the equivalent fraction of 36 upon 48. So again, how to find out 4 from 48? We need to divide 48 by 4. But by which number you need to divide? So you will divide 48 by 4 and you will get 12. It means both numerator and denominator will be divided by 12. So you will get 36 divided by 12, you will got 3, and of course 48 divided by 12 we will got 4. So 3 by 4 fraction is your answer here. Thank you and have a nice day.